I have spent more than 30 years finding the cause of human motion. What happens in our minds and bodies when we initiate a motion while we are sitting silent and immobile. Analysis of the human nature leads us to the fact that we do not move unless we are bothered. Further experiments and chain of logic revealed the fact that every single human motion is based on only 7 facts. Fact number 1, we always want to be comfortable. Fact number 2, we make motions only when we lose our comfort or balance. Fact number 3, the loss of balance always generates a want in us. Fact number 4, there is always suffer and joy associated with every motion. Fact number 5, the more we suffer, the more we enjoy. Fact number 6, the resultant of our wants and fears determine our motion. Fact number 7, the degree of our personality and physical characteristics, as well as mental and environmental conditions, determines the level of our wants and fears. We perform motions according to the resultant of our wants and fears sum. These facts prove that free will does not exist. We are driven only by the outcomes of our wants and fears. Emotions such as love, fear, hate, sadness, envy are feelings. These feelings mirror certain chemical transactions in our brain. Consumption of alcohol beverages make us feel happy or sad due to the transaction of some chemical in our brain. Using drugs or smoking marijuana changes our mood by creating certain chemical formula in our brain. Listening to a poetry or a music give us a specific feeling due to the specific chemical formula created in our brain. Anxiety, depression, manic behavior could become our norm by consuming a specific chemical formula. There is nothing such as emotions beyond our bodies. Emotional feelings are mirror chemical transactions in our brains, and no independent power like free will or decision making exists in human nature. We act and react precisely like machines.